Hello and welcome to the demo of the real-time estimation provided by Bitlight. Real-time estimation is a very powerful tool that lets you analyze the cost of your project in real time, or it lets you estimate the cost of your project as your team is modeling it. It is a very simple to use tool. Once you have installed the Bitlight from the installer provided, you can just go to real-time estimation from the Bitlight panel, select the version code that you can create from the desktop app or the web platform. Once you do it, it would sync all the data from the backend that was previously exported or created from either the from the desktop application or was set up in the website. Once you do it, you can see the cost of current cost of the project through the costs that were assigned to the elements previously. Now, in order to assign elements, categories, and cost, all you have to do is just select the element, select the appropriate division for this element type. For example, we have selected roof. So let's see where we can place the roof. Okay, over here. Let's see. This should be somewhere in, let's say, roof finishes. Let's select the unit type, which should be meter square. Let's set the unit price to somewhere about, maybe let's say 90, and then hit OK. Once you do it, you can see the cost of this particular element will be reflected under this category of roofs, which is over here. Now, once you did do this exercise for all the elements that exist in a model, the total real-time estimation cost would be reflected over here. Now, after having repeated this exercise for all the elements, you can either say reset the data to start entering the new cost, or you can export the data. Upon clicking export, the exported Excel would look something like this. In this Excel, you can see the cost of all the elements to which the prices were entered using the real-time estimation. At the end, you can see the total cost, and if you want to modify the cost, please get back to Revit and start modifying the cost as needed.